Oh, I missed the motorcycle. Hey guys. Or a lot of you have a lot of problems with my accent. I don't know, you're watching the channel for an accent or some discussions about motorcycle. Or would you rather have me talk like this so that you know, now that you don't know that I have an accent or not, this seems very natural for most of the Indians? Or would you rather have me talk like this when I'm naturally comfortable talking like this? I just don't understand why this accent is irritating to a lot of people. When a Russian is talking something, you don't go ahead and tell him that you have an annoying accent, or just drop the accent that is really irritating. No, you don't. You accept how he is talking and you rather listen to the content. Right? So what is this bit about? Oh, your accent is too annoying. So don't listen to the channel. Just unsubscribe and go on your way. If you haven't noticed, I really don't ask you to subscribe. It's up to you. It's a choice. It's always going to be a choice. Nothing in life ever should be forced. Like this accent of mine, which is not forced. But that comment of yours is forced. Oh, that accent is so stupid and annoying. So, don't watch it. Also, guys, this is not a channel to be mean to anyone. It's a channel about a guy who likes to ride motorcycles. That's it. That's it. Well, if you guys haven't noticed by now, I'm trying to capture good motion blur under a harsh sunlight. Which gives you really cool footage. If you guys like this video, a like rating is always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Shri App.